Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a microwavable heating pad. And I got my material. You can use any type of material. I cut a 10 by 20 piece of material, and I got some rice I'm going to fill it with. I actually picked it up at my local store. They had two of them for $1. And you want it to smell good, so I picked up some essential oil, lavender. Be putting a few drops of that into the rice. So I'm going to take my material and I'm going to fold it in half, sew down the short edge, the long edge, and leave one side open to actually fill the rice into it. So I'll go ahead and do that. So the short edge, go ahead and sew along the long one. Okay, now I'm going to turn it inside out, or right side out. I already had it inside out, so you want to turn it right side out. As you can see, I have a long piece of material. Make sure you poke the corners out really good. There we go. Stuck my finger. Your hand should be able to fit right in it with no problem. So I'm going to go ahead and open my rice up. Get my lavender oil opened up. It smells really good, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting some rice in here. Got some of it in. I'm going to put a few drops of lavender oil. Finish putting the rest of the rice in. Some of this rice picked up that I dropped. Go ahead and put a little bit more in there. Don't want it to be too flat, but yet you don't want it to be too much in there. So I'll show you as soon as I get my amount in that I want in there. Okay, I actually have two 2-pound bags of rice. Drop some more essential oil in it. two 2-pound bags of rice, and I'm going to use like a bag and a half of it. Now I'm going to tuck the end in, as you can see, the end of the, I'm going to tuck it in, and then I'm going to straight stitch around the top of it. Make sure you back stitch so it don't want it coming loose on you. There you have it. You have yourself a heating pad. Just heat it in a microwave and lay it on your shoulder, your back, whatever you want, and help it. And like I said, I put about 4 drops of lavender oil into the rice, so that way you won't smell rice cooking once you heat it up some. Don't want to heat it too much, maybe a minute at the most probably would be hot enough. But if you get it too hot, you won't be able to put it on your back or wherever. So there you have it. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, take care.